Hello there, lovely people. Welcome back to our channel again. In today's quick tutorial, you are gonna see how to give slow motion effect in CapCut. So to do that, I'm heading over to my CapCut. As you can see, I'm already on a project. So you have to select a project you want to work on and then go to the effects section in the bottom right. And here go to video effects. And here you can just search manually in some slow-mo you want to get, and you can also search from here. So I found it more efficient to search from here. So I'm searching for slow motion effect. So here CapCut has given me a lots of effect of slow-mo. So I'm gonna use this free one, and you can also try the premium ones if you have CapCut premium version. So I'm gonna try this gentle ripples. This is slow one. You can try this one too, fancy sharpen or any other. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next video.